In this video, we are going to explore a new searching technique with Microsoft Outlook, and that is using this new search folder. What this does is you just specify a specific criteria that you want to search all the emails that falls in that criteria, and it will create a separate folder where whenever all the past or even the future emails are collected, it will automatically be combined in the new search folder. Let me show you how. First of all, just click on the folder tab and click on new search folder. And here we can accumulate any kind of email. Like for reading email, you can create a new search folder of unread emails. So all the unread emails will be accumulated separately. So you don't have to find it in the inbox what is read and what is unread. But we have these kind of tabs in the inbox directly as well. You can just click on unread tab and you can search through it. But let's say that we want to group all together the important emails. So in the new search folder, click on important email, click OK. And this will create a new search folder of important emails. As you can see at the bottom, it has the search folder's main heading and the subheading of important emails. It automatically identified all of them that is marked as important, and it accumulates it into a single folder. So not only these ones, it will also accumulate the future emails. That is very important. You can regularly check through it. Similarly, if you want to just better organize your emails, you can click on new search folders, and let's say that you want to organize them by size. Large emails, you can accumulate all of them and show email at least this large. Choose. You can even set a custom size like greater than 500 KB. Click OK. And this will accumulate all of them which is greater than 500 KB. As you can see, it either includes a picture, specific videos, and so on and so forth. So this really helps you to reduce the size, manage the size better in your emails. Similarly, let's go again. Click on new search folder, and under the organize tab, email with the specific words. Let's say that I want to choose a specific word like discount. Add, click OK, and whatever is the discount offers, it will automatically include that here. You can see here all the discounts are accumulated here so that I can easily check through all of these emails. So these are some very useful techniques for better email management, because nowadays the problem is you receive a lot of emails per day and it goes unread. It's like thousands of emails that goes unread. So that's how you can better manage that. And similarly, if you want to finally go in this new search folder and create your own custom one, just scroll all the way down to the bottom. You can just click on create a customized search folder based on specific criteria. You can name that folder. Let's say trading view. I want to receive all the emails based on this criteria. Click on criteria. You can search for trading view words, or you can specify it in the email that if it is received from a specific sender, it should be filtered. You can add more choices like only items that are unread, has some kind of attachments. Let's say that you want to get all the attachments from the trading view here separately on the folder. You can do that as well. And you can define all the advanced criteria. But most of the time, just you can use the basic ones. Click OK, and you should be good to go. So this is how you can use the search folders for better email management in Microsoft Outlook for free. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.